Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing one of the sweetest little throwback toys in our house, the Fisher-Price Classics Retro Chatter Phone, and this one is extra special because it was my children's toy from about 40 years ago, guys. And now my 3-year-old grandson is absolutely obsessed with it. First of all, it's 100% toy, no batteries, no screens, no complicated buttons, just classic happy pretend play. The rotary dial actually rings with that old school sound, and it instantly pulls kids into that, I'm calling grandma, I'm calling the doctor, I'm ordering pizza kind of imagination. And the face is so friendly. Those eyes roll up and down and mouth chatters, and it feels like it has a little personality. What I love most is how busy it keeps their hands while they're moving their bodies. It's a pull-along toy, so toddlers can walk around with it in the house, and it gives them that satisfying action and reaction play. My grandson will pull it from room to room, as you can see, like it's his important little work phone. Very serious business. And let me tell you, this thing is so sturdy. It can handle toddler enthusiasm, tossing, bumping into furniture, all of it. Hey, after 40 years, this thing still looks awesome. And it just keeps on going. It's one of those timeless toys that feels like it was made to last. And I love that it's now part of our family history. Home sweet home tip, keep a few simple open-ended toys like this in a basket because the classics really do get played with the most. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.